Welcome to Roaming Edge on the AWS Cloud. I am Sang-Hoon Lee, Solutions Architect in AWS. I will show you video demo on how telco leverages the AWS global infrastructure to enhance their roaming services.
Hello everybody, I'm Do-Hyun Park, who is leading telco network business in AWS for telecom sectors. So we are here to introduce what we did with SA Telecom and BICS and Samsung Robotics on our AWS infrastructure. Here is that SK drove this architecture using their commercial infrastructure to verify and demonstrate what's the benefit of this use case. And the BICS provided their commercial, the IPX transport network. And then Samsung Electronics is developed AWS optimized cloud native 5G core UPF for this use case. And then we provided and technical support for using our global region infrastructure. Let me explain what kind of challenges that we had for our traditional architecture. So by the definition of the 3GPP architecture, SK Telecom had to, including SK Telecom, all the telcos had to deploy the control plane, user plane in the same location, which led to the longer latency and not good enough experience when they are traveling abroad. So by deploying with these innovative use cases, the customers can enjoy much better customer experience when they are traveling abroad. Sang-Hoon will explain how we implemented this on our architecture. Please, Sang-Hoon.
Let's deep dive into architecture. Let's suppose the right side is TIT network and left side is your home country. For example, my country, Korea, and Spain, Barcelona. If you roamed in Spain, Barcelona, your traffic is traveled through the IPX network with international connectivity. So it travel longer, so your latency to connect web page takes longer. By leveraging roaming edge on the AWS cloud, the UPF can be located in closest region in AWS cloud. So UPF can process the user traffic in short time. So roaming traffic travels into the closest AWS region, so it takes shorter than traditional roaming architecture. This is the result of measurement by SK Telecom using real mobile devices. As it shows, web page load time improved by 76% and download speed is enhanced by 30%. For your understanding, we prepared the video on measuring the result. The right is based on traditional roaming architecture, and left one is roaming edge architecture. This is the web page loading time for google.com. And Facebook, 0.3 seconds from 4 second. And this is the Korean domestic website for portal, but it takes shorter than traditional roaming architecture because most of Korean content provider utilizes the CDN networks. This is also the domestic website. In the application store, you can download the application in short time. So this is the web result. Most of sites can be reached in short time than traditional architecture. You watch the result of the roaming edge architecture. You watch that the roaming service enhanced by AWS global infrastructure. So telco should have their infrastructure in only their country, but by leveraging AWS cloud, they can expand their network infrastructure all over the world.
Hope you have enjoyed what we have achieved with SA Telecom, BICS, and Samsung Electronics on our AWS global infrastructure. This is the good opportunity if you can improve your roamers customer experience in significant way. Please don't hesitate to contact these guys so that we can provide more information if you have any questions. Thank you very much.